Hello everyone, today we're checking out unitedlw.com, an online store that claims to sell kitchen, home, and wellness products. But is it a legit shop or a potentially fake or unsafe site you should avoid? Let's break down what the data shows. So UnitedLW promotes itself as an online retailer with made in the USA products, fast delivery, free shipping, over $39, and even FDA authorized weight loss or wellness items on their homepage. Their About Us page makes broad claims about being a great store and pushes discounts and products without much detail. They list things like fruit baskets and oral health weight loss liquids, sometimes with huge discounts and thousands of reviews right on the product pages. Here's where things get concerning. Scanning these services give UnitedLW.com a very low trust score. In one analysis, the site scored near 0 out of 100, with multiple indicators suggesting risk. Domain age is only a few months, and the owner uses privacy protection, both common traits of high risk or scam sites. Another review site showed a poor trust score of 29%, noting heavy discounts, lack of social media links, and design similarities with other suspicious sites. Safety check services note the domain has very low traffic, no reliable external reputation, which means few real users have interacted with it. All that adds up to buy with extreme caution, especially if you haven't seen third-party reviews or independent customer feedback. Look closer at the listings and you'll see bold claims, huge savings, bizarre product combinations like kitchen items next to weight loss FDA-certified bottles, and thousands of reviews that are likely site-generated, not independent. Legit e-commerce stores typically have clear brand shop background, verified user reviews, transparent policies, and professional contact and support channels. United LW pages don't show real social media presence or verifiable review histories, and their About page is vague marketing talk without business information. If you buy from the store, you could face items that never ship or take months to arrive, products that look nothing like the photos, limited or no response from customer support, and difficulty or refusal to refund claims. Even though United LW lists a return policy and contact email, that doesn't guarantee you won't be chased with vague excuses, especially when the site is so new and lacks established credibility. So is United LW real or fake? Based on the evidence right now, it leans towards high risk and potentially unsafe. It has a very new domain, hidden ownership, low site trust scores, and no independent external reviews. Bottom line, avoid buying from UnitedLW.com until it builds a clear reputation, shows real verified reviews, and offers transparent business details. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.